Nestled in the lush mountainside across from Dominical, Cascada de Luz overlooks the surf lineup and the horizon where whales rear their young. Sunrays filter through the roof canopy, casting dappled light below. A refreshing breeze flows through the home, carrying the scent of native flowers. As night falls, the ocean mirrors the stars, and the waves offer a soothing rhythm. The design highlights the ecological and topographical surroundings. Visitors arriving and descending the driveway catch glimpses of the ocean through the trees. The perforated, blue-tinted roof panels create a seamless transition with the ocean's horizon. Below a soaring overhang, the arrival area is cool and protected, with soft light permeating through the perforated panels, translucent sheets, and teak louvers. A wooden bridge over a bamboo grove leads to the second level, offering a framed view of the sunset. Bedrooms on this level have independent balconies, bathrooms, and outdoor showers. An open staircase in a central atrium connects the two levels, suspended over a shallow extension of the pool. The social lounge and terrace below are surrounded by jungle on three sides, with a 24-meter infinity lap pool on the other, connecting indoor and outdoor spaces like the garden, jacuzzi, fire pit, dining room, living room, breakfast terrace, and barbecue area. In the evenings, the roof allows light from within to pass through the perforated surface, mimicking moonlight reflecting off waves. Sustainability is core to the home's design. The roof collects and filters rainwater, directing it to 3 storage tanks below the carport, providing all water needs year-round. The stored water helps regulate indoor temperature. Photovoltaic panels on the roof provide renewable energy. Passive bioclimatic principles ensure comfort, with large overhangs protecting against heat and elevated windows providing cross-ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning. Materials were selected based on their carbon footprint, with all timber responsibly sourced. Saxe's landscape department aimed to revive the original environment, integrating vegetation into all spaces. Planter boxes on the second level host vines that cascade down the house, converging in the central atrium. Gardens and terraces are filled with endemic plants that regenerate the soil. Trees provide fruit for animals, and flowers attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees, creating a lively environment. Pathways around the property invite exploration of the biodiversity. Building on a steep slope was challenging but offered the opportunity for integration. The long pole doubles as a retaining element, anchoring the house. The sizable water tanks were hidden by propping them against the building pad, forming the base for the carport. The roof, designed to float above the house while withstanding winds and supporting solar panels and water loads, was achieved with slender truss profiles distributing the weight evenly. The space between trusses houses electrical and mechanical systems, ensuring easy maintenance.